This video is brought to you by Moomoo. If you guys want up to 10 free stocks, you can join using the link below in the description. If you deposit $100, you can get up to $17,500 in free stock. Again, links below in the description. But with that being said, let's get right into today's video. What is going on, everyone? Hootmoney here with another video for you guys today. Today, we are going to be doing a follow-up on my previous AMC video where I was talking about buying the dip. That was at $14 per share. We're at around $24 per share as we speak right now. About 66% upside since that last video. So I wanted to bring you guys the update, tell you guys what I'm seeing now, what things have changed, there was earnings, they had the ape dividend, all of that stuff. So drop a like on the video if you guys enjoy this content. Subscribe to the channel if you guys are new and want some more updates. And if you guys wanted to join the Discord server, boom, that link is below in the description. That's the free Discord channel. We also have the paid Discord right here, Hootmoney Trade Alerts, where we talk about squeeze plays. I give you guys all my buy and sell alerts. My portfolio is up over 2,000% in 2022. So if you want to join the community of short squeeze champions, you can do so using the first link below in the description or first link below in the pinned comment section. It's $30 per month. And with that being said, let's just jump right into it. All right, so the first thing I wanted to show you guys is the 2-week chart here on Market Cypher. As you guys can see, we have a buy signal. Now, this is Lux Algo that's actually giving the buy signal. So I've got a combination of Market Cypher and Lux Algo up here. Last time that it got a buy signal was in January of 2021, all the way back here, and now it is giving that signal again. So on these larger time frames, yes, it's looking a bit more bullish for AMC, but AMC is a volatile stock. And as you guys can see, after it gave that buy signal, it was a short-term top and it consolidated, made a nice little bull flag right there, and boom, in May it actually broke out and saw those new highs. So this might be a little bit early. It doesn't mean that it's supposed to come up directly off of this buy signal. If we are actually looking at some of the shorter time frames right here, like the daily chart, Market Cypher is actually giving it a red dot. It's actually showing some bearish divergence here, as you guys can see. Not too much bearish divergence. I mean, the indicator is slightly coming down there, but it is a red dot signal right on that daily chart. And as you guys can see, it is up a decent amount since that last red dot right here. So I'll go ahead and call it some bearish divergence just because the indicator staying flat. The price has gone up a bit, but it's technically not bearish divergence. Again, it's hitting this spider line. Spider line is used, connects a bunch of weekly charts together from the past. So as you guys can see, it connects it using this one point, this one inflection point, and that is how we get these spider lines. They're probably my least favorite indicator, but for some reason they really work. As you guys can see right here, it approaches the spider line, immediately sells off. Same thing right here. The two sell signals were literally right on the spider line. So if we're actually using that spider line to come up with a good place to buy, just under $20 per share right here, boom. If you can get it close to $18 per share, again, a phenomenal place to get that entry, because like I said, on a macro time frame right here, looking at that 2-week chart, it does look like some consolidations probably to come, but it doesn't mean that it doesn't shoot up in the future, right? And I would not be surprised if we get another leg up in the next month or 2 months. The big thing with AMC here, and the biggest uncertainty, is also going to be the ape dividend. So I'll briefly talk about my thoughts on that. So in my opinion, and I'm not some die-hard AMC bull, honestly, I did not listen to earnings. I am giving a very ignorant opinion, so go easy on me in the comment section. But in my opinion, I think that AMC needs to raise money. That's why they're doing this. And this is kind of like a fancy way of them doing it. They're trying to expose naked shorts. In the past, I've never really seen these things turn out to be a super, super solid turnout like we've seen it with BBIG and their Tide spinoff. GameStop had their split that they issued as a dividend. I don't think this actually will create a huge price effect, this ape dividend. However, you can profit off of it because usually these are buy the rumor, sell the news situations. So again, guys, even if AMC is in this longer term uptrend, I do think there's going to be some uncertainty and some selling pressure based off of this ape dividend. Right? And that's supposed to come out at the end of this week. So once that does spin off, that's my expectation. Again, it doesn't mean it's going down to all-time lows. I'm sure I'm going to get ripped apart in this comment section or whatever. Again, I'm not trying to upset anyone with my opinions, but that's just what I am seeing currently. If we're looking at some of the short interest data, it is still absolutely juiced right here. You guys can see there were loads of failure to delivers that they were actually able to draw down a bit back there. That would have been what would have had to been covered for that ape dividend, right? We also see the Ortex data. If you're looking at the short interest, it's been coming down over the past month or so. I mean, shorts do want to get out of AMC. At least it does appear that way. Maybe some of them are waiting for a dip or whatever, but they are looking to get out. Cost to borrow has also been shooting up, coming down just a little bit right there. Short interest statistics are pretty juiced. Not the best in the market currently, but nonetheless, they are pretty juiced. And as you guys can see, it's number 1400 on that short squeeze leaderboard. It has 15 on the gamma squeeze leaderboard. We'll be looking at options a little bit more in just a second. 1.7 million shares available to short. So short sellers have ammo. If they want to use it, they can short. Short exempt volume has been through the roof on 8.5 and 8.08. That was when it was peaking out. Again, these all have to be covered or they're going to turn into failure to delivers. Definitely taking up a good majority of that, or a good percentage of the free float right there. Here we have the institutional option trades. Now these are showing large block trades that are most likely made by institutions. So contrasting to the unusual whales flow, this is a little bit different because it uses different exchange. Typically it uses the PHLX exchange. That's what institutions utilize. Most option trades go through CBOE. So there's a way to basically decipher between what could be an institution, what could be a retail, or whatever, right? Here we have only 4 different bets right here, actually 2 different bets for today, and they were both put options. Both of them are expiring at the end of the week. $22 strike price and then an $18.5 strike price as well. Now this completely contrasts to what Unusual Whales is saying right here, because Unusual Whales flow is just extremely bullish today. There's insanely high amounts of premiums going into call options, expiring on Friday as well, completely dwarfing what we saw there on the institutional flow. Again, 88% bullish right there. And they are going for the short-term expirations, 8/19 and then 8/26. After that, a lot of the pressure does come off. And then bears obviously are going for these longer-term expirations. They're longer-term, further sighted shorts, as you guys can see right there. I also want to see what people are betting on for just this week. Again, most of those bets were for this Friday, but we could just do $10,000 premium or more right here. Just get a glimpse of what people are betting for this Friday. And again, pretty much the same, 89% bullish right there for this Friday, which means that this dip right here could definitely be a good solid dip. And if we're looking at it, I mean, the only other time that it was this low, this oversold was back here, and it got a bunch of buy signals and it came right back up. So I bet AMC is probably going to end up retesting, but overall I definitely do see some more consolidation over the next month or so, even if the market does remain bullish. Again, AMC always does have that market risk. If S&P 500 suddenly does come down, they're going to try to pull down AMC with it as a manipulated ticker. Here we have the highest open interest increases in options. I like to see what options are being specifically targeted by looking at the statistic. Now, I believe this is as of last Friday, so it's not going to show any intraday updates. However, they loaded up on the $23 puts expiring in September. That had 500 open interest the day before. Now it has 5,000, giving it a 1,000% increase in open interest right there. Also, the $41 call for the next week. Again, if you watch my Bed Bath & Beyond video that I uploaded earlier, the share price sits between these two strikes. This could simply be a hedge for a short seller, and this could be simply a hedge for someone who is long. there's no real telling what the directional input is on that. There does seem to be a bit more puts in here, and but these puts right here, that's bullish volume, right? 64% bullish volume. And again, right here, that's 57% bullish volume. So in terms of the open interest increases, I'm definitely seeing this one as the biggest risk, the $23 put, just because it just had such a huge increase right there. But again, we can actually click on that and see what's happening. And today there's been another 3,000 volume on that contract, so they could potentially be closing it. Max pain for August 19th is at $20 per share right here. Max pain is where the most amount of option buyers lose money. It's where the market maker tries to pin the price on Friday when it does expire on 8/19, and that's at $20 per share, posing about a 20% downside risk from the current price if it does end up hitting that max pain. If you look at the gamma exposure, there's a very solid gamma ramp, literally all the way up to $35 per share, and then it starts building up again at $40 per share and beyond. So there's plenty of juice for this to continue to move higher as long as there is sustained buying pressure. Again, the biggest risk for me right now would probably be the fact that they have 1.7 million shares available to borrow that might offset it, put it into some short exempt volume. Not too crazy right there. And then the fact that we got that 2-week buy signal over here, January of 2021, we're getting it again right now. It doesn't mean that we're just going to keep rocketing up. Again, we're hitting that spider line. Not saying the spider line's like a perfect indication, but it does look like it is at least due to cool off if we're just looking at that daily chart. So I don't expect anything too crazy. I don't expect it to just crash tomorrow, but I also don't really expect it to just rocket right back up right away. This could be setting up for a bigger move down the line, and that's what I think could happen here with AMC. Anyways, my friends, that's about it for the video. I hope you guys have enjoyed. As always, drop a like on it if you guys did. Subscribe to the channel if y'all are new. Check out Moomoo if you want up to $17,500 in free stock as long as you deposit $100 on their platform. That's the link in the description down below. And also, if you guys wanted to join Hootmoney Trade Alerts, a group of Discord members that love to do these short squeeze stocks. We like to go long, we like to go short, we like to do it all. That link is down below in the description. And it's awesome. It's awesome. I mean, my portfolio is up over 2,000% in 2022. Insanity. Anyways, my friends, that's about it. I'll see you guys next time. Peace out, everyone.